Hello guys, welcome to the TechRox YouTube channel. In our today's video, we will see how we can install the DHCP role on our server and how we can manage the DHCP service. So what is DHCP? DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It is a network management protocol used on Internet Protocol networks for automatically assigning IP addresses and other communication parameters to device connected to the network. So basically with DHCP, we can transfer IP address, DNS and router information from our server to the clients. It automatically assigns the IP addresses to the machines. So let's install it. Click on the Manage tab and click on Add Roles and Features. Here click on Next. Role-based feature installation, Next. And here click the DHCP server. Now it is asking for adding features that are required for the DHCP server. Click on Add Features. Next. Check this restart the destination server automatically if required. Now click on Install. Now it is installing the DHCP role on our server. Now our installation is completed. Now you have to launch the DHCP post install wizard by clicking here complete DHCP configuration. By chance, if you click on close here, you can also go here on the yellow flag and you can also complete the DHCP configurations from here. Click on it and click on next. Now here is our user credentials. Click on commit and close. Now our DHCP server is installed successfully. Now we have to create a scope, DHCP scope. Open DHCP. Now here is our server, IPv4, server options. Now here we have to create a new scope. A scope is a range of IP addresses assigned to computers requesting a dynamic IP address. So right click on IPv4 and click on new scope. Now click on next. Give any name to your scope like scope A. Now click on next. Now here we have to give the IP address range like 168.1. I will give IP address range from 100 to 200. You can give any range as per your requirement. For this testing purpose, I am using this range. Now next. Now also you exclude any IP address from here. That IP address is excluded from the range and will be not assigned to any of the machine. Now click on next. It is a lease duration. The default duration is 8 days. You can change it as per your need. So I am choosing the default option. Now next. Now here is option. Do you want to configure the DHCP options for this scope right now? Click on yes, I want to configure these options right now and click on next. Now here is our router default gateway. Click on add. Next. Now here is our DNS server. It automatically detects the DNS server available and it is the IP of our DNS server. Click on next. We don't have any Win server. Now click on next. Now here activate scope. I will choose here no. Finish. Now here the scope's status is inactive. Before uh, starting the any other thing, you have to check if your scope is active or inactive. See, here is a small symbol comes here. That means our scope is not active. Just right click on it and click on activate. Now our scope is activated. Now here is the range of IP addresses we have given to it. And let's check now. I will check this on this machine. mcpa.pl. Click on properties and TCP IP4. Click on properties. Now right now this Windows 10 machine is getting an static IP address. So I just change the settings to the obtain an IP address automatically. Now click on OK. Close. Close. Now let's check the IP address of our this machine. CMD. Click on OK. Now here it is getting an IP address 192.168.19.131. This IP address is not from our range. Look, our range is from 1 to 100. It is because this virtual machine is getting an IP from my physical system. This physical laptop. Look, here we have to change a setting. Open Windows 10 virtual machine setting. Click on network adapter, and here it is getting an IP from this my physical laptop. Now here we have to click on host only. Now click on OK. Again we will check the IP address. Look, now the IP address is changed. The domain is techroxo.com and the IP address is 192.168.100, which we have given here. And right now if we refresh here, our machine is showing here. Look, the IP address and the machine name, and it is the MAC address of our that machine. So in this way DHCP scope works. So guys, in this way we can configure the DHCP scope on our server. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos.